Manipur'S Forest Department na senba chahi lishing ani kunga manga kunga taruk khaktada apunba hectare chatruk humpudra mathoida tharamba poppy panbi sing yan thatuna manghan kibaga loinana hectare chani nifuga mari da wa panbi thabagi thabak paikhatle haina principal chief conservator of forest Anurag Vaspaina phongdorakli Humbudra Taret Suba Van Mohotsav Celebration 2026 Hogdokpaga Mari Lainana Imphal East District ki Chinghu Reserve Forest ta pangthokiba u chara thabagi thauramga Mari Lainana wafam asi phongdorakibani Ek pair maa ke naam 3.0 gi manung channa pangthokiba thauram aduga Mari Lainana Impact News na hangba wahangi pakhum piraduna Anurag Vaspaina makha tana hai Manipur asi chada humbudra mari di forest na cover taurabasu forest area asi chada nifurom di mangtharaklaba forest oire forest mangtharakpagi achauba maram asi chawkhat thauranga mari lainaba thaba kaya paikhatpa forest mai chakpa amasung mioibana lona yadaba thaba kaya chathaba asinani maram asina forest yokhatnaba hotnabada u chara thaba haiba si yamna maru oiba khongthang ama oibana thauram asi pangthokpani loinana chatliba chahi asida Manipur gi chingtam animakta punna uchara lak taraga manga thaduna forest ki fibam asi fagalakli haina phongdorakhi loinana chingi mafam singda poppy panbi tharamba kaya su forest department na security force singa khusam naduna manghan bagi thabak leptana paikhatli loinana poppy panbi tharamba singda wa panbi thahanduna masigi kanaba phanghanaba thabak su paikhatle haina phongdokhi thauram aduda school gi mahairoi sing yauna mafam adugi ima ivel amasung mari lainaba official kayana saruk yaduna u chara kaya thakhi.
The important point is that in our state, out of the total area, we are having about 40% area which is degraded. Degraded because of various reasons, because of the development projects, because of frequent forest fires, because of illegal human activities. We need to improve that for the sustainability. We require the resources also for that, and that is why 16th Finance Commission has also acknowledged that part. Every year we try, and we are increasing our forest cover. In years 2025-26, that is last year, which has ended in March, we have destroyed along with the security forces about 671 hectare poppy area, and in that area we have come up with the alternative species, that is bamboo, because bamboo grows fast and it is a kind of an industrial species.